Hi, Elaine here with WTI. What do you do when you're waiting for your kitchen makeover and you only have one cabinet for your baking needs? Simply Genius has the solution for your cutting board needs. I was happy to get rid of those thick cutting boards, 2 of them, and replace them with how many? Not just 4, but 8 different cutting boards with different colors for different needs in your kitchen. And I am so excited to use each one of these colors. I tried to remember the colors and what they're for. Orange is for the poultry, and green are for things that grow on trees or anything vegetable. I love that you can take it and bend and put everything right in your little bowls. And I especially appreciate the small sizes for individual chopping needs. And I love that I can wash them in my dishwasher. They fit so perfect. So out with the old cutting boards and in with the new. Turn to Simply Genius for your cutting board needs. I love the different colors. I love that they are so thin and they can store right here in my small little cabinet. They have large and small sizes and they wash great in the dishwasher. I love them. We highly recommend them. And that's just my point of view.